All right, I want to show you that I'm at Hayfield and Righetti Ranch Road, and I'm on the street on Hayfield Loop going, that's Righetti Ranch Road right in front of me, that's the train tracks in front of me. We have a crosswalk right there to cross Righetti Ranch. Oh, I could have showed you this car, darn it. And here's another crosswalk. So if I'm a car and I'm coming to turn left right here from Hayfield onto Righetti, and I turn left, as you can see, there is an obstruction. I can't really see if there's any cars coming around that loop. Ah, there's my buddy Clayton coming around. And if I'm a kid right here and I'm crossing on this crosswalk on my bike, these cars come around this loop really quick. There's a couple obstructions that I just want to point out. This sign, this tree, and specifically that bush right there that's growing in that wash right there. It blocks the cars that are coming around, and you can't see them. And I don't have my kids cross this crosswalk, and we actually don't like turning left on this street right here because the cars come around this really fast, and it's just not good. And I'll give you a little bit more of a look closer up. So this is a bike path, so bikes are supposed to cross right here, but it's completely dangerous. We've got so many obstructions, this sign being one of them. This tree is beautiful, but it's just gonna get bigger. This box right here, we can't really do anything about it, but that is an obstruction because it literally blocks cars that are on this bridge over here. This tree is only going to get bigger as well, and is an obstruction. This tree right here, this big guy has to go because the cars can't see through it. It just has to be trimmed down or taken out, and it's right next to the bridge. I'll show it to you from another view. Right there. So the cars coming around this loop right here, or this road, they can't see that there's kids on bikes or people crossing the crosswalk ahead of them because there's a curve in the road. And just by the nature of the road, as you can see, they can't see anything. And they come around this quick. There's no speed bumps. There's nothing. There's no stop sign at Hayfield Loop. They just go right through it. So that turn right there in the road, we can't do anything about, and that box we can't do anything about, but there are some obstructions that we can do something about, which I showed you. This bush is a big problem, and unfortunately these two trees are a problem, and there's a sign that's a problem. It just needs better placement.